You will love the features of this 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Tahoe is the full-size SUV that ticks all the boxes. Safe, stylish, comfortable, loaded with technology, powerful, and ready to handle any challenge, it inspires confidence at every turn. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, running boards, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Why not drive the premium vehicle you want that has the hard-working capabilities you need? Get behind the wheel of the Tahoe.